in turn, if you don't have it replaced or updated by a certain amount of time, then they will non-renew your policy. That's not a joke. That's actually going on in the marketplace from what we've seen. Hi, my name is Jason Bradley. I'm with the Bradley Insurance Group. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about homeowners policies, or just on homes in general. Whenever you have updates made or upgrades made to the house, or you even make add-ons to the house, you do anything to upgrade your house, we would like to be notified about that, or your agent should be notified about that as well. Whether it's your roofing, plumbing, heating and cooling, even something as simple as doing windows and things of that nature, plumbing. Anytime you make any kind of upgrades or updates to your house, please get a copy of that receipt or that purchase order, or the completed work order on that, and send that to your agent via email, or however you do it, whether it's email or via mail, so they have a copy of that. Because what that does is it can, as the market's changing, it can help out with your current insurance program. And even in the future, if the company requests to have any notification or information on electrical updates or roofing updates, gutter updates, things of that nature, that can really help the process once that has been updated. And then also, if your agent has a copy of that, then he or she can save time and forward that on to the company or the underwriter that's requesting that. Because with underwriting changes, carriers are going to, if your roof is over 15 years of age, it's either at like a depreciated amount, or some carriers today aren't even accepting properties that have roofs that are over 15 years of age. So it can make it pretty difficult. Some carriers are grandfathering them. At the same time, some carriers are just, if it doesn't qualify, or if it looks like it needs updated from Google Earth satellite images, they can request that, or they have been requesting that. And then in turn, if you don't have it replaced or updated by a certain amount of time, then they will non-renew your policy. That's not a joke. That's actually going on in the marketplace from what we've seen. So if you do have updates done to your house or to your property, make sure at least you keep file of those somewhere where you can access them pretty quickly, or where somebody knows that they're at, that they can get them to us or to your agent, because that will help out a lot. It will save time for you. Also, it'll save time for us as well, because then we can mitigate that back and forth time, because we already have that on file. We already have it documented, and then we can just forward that along. So any updates that you have made to your house, get them to your agent as soon as possible. Get a copy of the receipt, sales order, completed description of the job, whatever the company that does the work for you provides for you to show that it has been completed. Get a copy of that digitally, and then forward that on to your agent, or if for your agent, forward it to us. That will greatly help out the process in the future, and even today if it is requested from us. For some reason, if we have to shop your insurance in the future, that would be great knowledge for us to have the updates that have been made to the property on file within our office, so then we can expedite the process of dealing with an underwriter or quoting out through another carrier quicker. Not saying it's going to be super fast, but we're going to have that information handy, and then we can get it to where it needs to go, or update it and know that we have proof of that within our office. If you do not have proof of updates and just say that the roof was updated in 2020 with no records of that, we can't state that to the insurance company, because if we have no proof of that, there's no way to show it. So, and there's no way to prove it, and then that's going on our word, then they'll have to go back and then take the necessary steps for whatever they need to do, whether it's surcharging the policy, whether it's company canceling the policy because the application was inaccurate or whatnot. But that would totally expedite the process if we do have those updates to your property within our office, or even your agent's office. That would make your life a lot simpler at times, and then it would also make the agent's life a lot simpler as well too, whenever they're trying to deal with your policies and do the best job that they can for your policies. Because at the end of the day, this is about you. We know you don't like to take time out of your day to deal with insurance stuff, but at the same time, some of these updates and things that are being done, the money that you're paying to have these updates done to your property would be well served if you did have that copy to your agent. Or like I said before, if it was us, that's your agent, that would be greatly appreciated. Digital copy of the upgrades to your property is easy access for us and for you yourself too, because then you know where you have it. You can attach it to an email, send it out right away, and then we have a copy of that. And then there's no chance for it to get lost in the mail, and then even mail time as well, because sometimes whenever they're requesting this, those need to be shown pretty quickly, so action's not taken. A lot of times they give you 60-day notice before action is taken, but at the same time, 60 days can turn into 30 days, 15, and then 10 days. So if you have that access in a digital form, saved in a document on your computer or on a flash drive, then it makes it easier where you can get that information to us so we can then forward on to the carrier. And that also goes for your agent. If we're not your agent, then you can forward it to your agent, then they can forward it to the underwriter or to the carrier quicker, and then hopefully get that issue resolved.
Thank you for watching.